Would you get down? We're going to be late for Mimosette Vanessa's birthday.
I hope there will be cheese at Mimosette Vanessa's birthday party. You know how much I like cheese. Happy birthday, Mimosette Vanessa.
Happy birthday, Mimosette Vanessa.
Happy birthday, Mimosette Vanessa.
Happy birthday, my friend Mimosette Vanessa.
Happy birthday, Mimosette Vanessa.
Breaking news. It's Mimosette Vanessa's birthday today? And in other news, scientists prove that cats are smarter than dogs. There's no way you could get 8 cats to pull a sled through the snow.
Happy birthday, Mimosette Vanessa.
Happy birthday, Mimosette Vanessa.
Happy birthday, Mimosette Vanessa. Happy birthday, Mimosette Vanessa.
Happy birthday, Mimosette Vanessa.
Happy birthday, Mimosette Vanessa.
Happy birthday, Mimosette Vanessa.
I have studied many philosophers and many cats. The wisdom of cats is infinitely superior.
Please subscribe, give us a like, and share this video, so we can grow our happy little community of cat lovers. Now, let's get Mimosette Vanessa's party started.